Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday extended greetings on National Technology Day and praised India's scientific community for its contribution to the nation's technological and strategic growth. Recalling the 1998 Pokhran nuclear tests, the Prime Minister described the moment as a historic milestone that demonstrated India's scientific capability and determination.
11 मई 1998 यानी आज के ही दिन देश ने पोखरण में परमाणु परीक्षण किया था।
In a post on X, PM Modi said the successful Pokhran tests reflected the hard work and dedication of Indian scientists and reaffirmed the country's commitment towards self-reliance and innovation. Technology has become a key pillar in building a self-reliant India. It is accelerating innovation, expanding opportunities, and contributing to the nation's growth across sectors. Our continued focus remains on empowering talent, encouraging research, and creating solutions that serve both national progress and the aspirations of our people, he said. National Technology Day is observed every year on May 11 to commemorate the Pokhran II nuclear tests conducted in Rajasthan in May 1998. The observance was introduced in 1999 by former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee to honor scientists, engineers and technologists who played a key role in India's scientific advancement. The Pokhran II operation involved 5 nuclear tests conducted at the Indian Army's Pokhran Test Range under the leadership of then Prime Minister Vajpayee. Eminent scientists including R. Chidambaram and former President APJ Abdul Kalam were associated with the mission. According to the Department of Atomic Energy, the first 3 nuclear devices were detonated simultaneously at 3:45 p.m. IST on May 11, 1998. These included a 45 kiloton thermonuclear device, a 15 kiloton fission device, and a 0.2 kiloton subkiloton device. 2 additional subkiloton devices with yields of 0.5 and 0.3 kilotons were detonated on May 13th. The department stated that the tests were the result of decades of research and self-reliance in nuclear weapons development. It highlighted contributions from fields such as shockwave physics, material science, nuclear physics, electronics engineering, and advanced computer simulation technologies. PM Modi further said technology continues to play a major role in building an Atmanirbhar Bharat by driving innovation, expanding opportunities, and strengthening multiple sectors across the country.